everyone, hello. I want to say a big thank you for the 15 million love. And this is my first Facebook chat. It's been long due and it's finally happening. So okay, now everyone's comments are also coming in. So let's get some questions then. What's the one thing I've done in my life that I'm most proud of? I think one thing I've done in my life that I'm most proud of would I think probably one of the things, I think there are a few things that I feel proud about, would probably be that I went to study in Boston University. That was like, to leave home, that was a little scary, but it was fun. Thank you so much guys, some really nice wishes coming in. Okay, things are going good with me. I'm at home, I'm eating something, that's why I got a little late, I'm sorry. This is what I'm eating, let me try to show you guys. It's sabudana khichdi, homemade lasun chutney and some curd. This is what I'm eating, but right now I'm not eating because I'm seeing you guys and your comments. Okay, I'm just trying to see. So I'm at home and speaking to you guys from home. Thank you so much for these comments, guys. And yes, I'm wearing my glasses because I can't see without them. I wear prescription lenses otherwise. So if I remove them, I can see at a near distance, but I can't see if it goes too far. Yeah. Okay, questions. Hi to everybody. Hello Muhammad, hello Dave. Guys, if you have any questions, please ask me. Life is fragile. Remember to handle it with prayer. Thank you so much for your wishes, guys. It's really sweet. Quite new at this. Yes, I love jalebi, but I love it so much that I have cavities. Thank you. Thanks, guys. Okay, no questions coming for me. How am I? I'm good. I'm very good. I was really excited about this Facebook live chat because it's been very long due and it's finally happening. Love you guys. Anybody wants a bite of what I'm eating? Have a look. Sabudana khichdi, lasun chutney and dahi. It's very delicious. My bai cooks very well and with a lot of love, which is very important for food. And this is the second time that I'm actually eating it today. I had it 2 hours ago. Okay. Okay, sorry. Now questions because I'm missing all your comments. About my role in Hasina, well, so I play between the age of 17 and 45 and it's very challenging. It's been really challenging and we're actually nearing the end of shoot as well and it's entirely consumed me. So I hope you guys like it when it comes out. Do you like to watch Marathi movies? If yes, which one is your favorite one? Actually, I have not watched any Marathi films till now. I really want to watch Sairat. I want to watch my Masi's film Chimney Pakra. You would love to see me in an action movie, is it possible? If I get a nice script, an interesting script and a great opportunity, I would love to do it. Thank you guys. You guys make me smile, so I'll keep smiling and laughing. Some comments are really sweet and adorable and funny also. Khana, peena, rang udana. Thank you guys so much. I'm very excited for Half Girlfriend. I'm very excited. Actually, I'm very excited about all the movies that I do. I feel like I have to put in 100% in everything, and I really try to do that to the best of my ability. So I hope that you guys like my movies and go and watch them and give it all your love. I hope to not disappoint you guys. Thank you so much for your wishes, guys. How can you do all the different styles of act? Fighter and Baghi and I think each film comes with its own demands. You have to give it whatever according to the character, according to the role. So I try to do my best and keep you guys entertained. I hope I keep doing that. Three characters so far, it's a little tough because I love all my films, playing all the characters in my films, but I know that you guys gave a lot of love to Arohi from Ashiki and my other films as well, so I hope you guys keep that love coming in. The first trailer of Half Girlfriend will come out in April. Happy Holi in advance. I'm good. I'm at home, guys. I'm just reading all your comments, so I'm randomly answering them. I'm at home. It's awesome to be at home, isn't it? I love being at home whenever I can. Either I like being on set or I like being at home. I don't like going out that much. Hello Sachin. Okay, some hellos. Hi Prateek. Hi Happy. Hi Jyoti. Yes, on Hasina, it is a little strict, I would say, but I think that that's a very good decision by my director, by Apu. I want to say, guys, again, thank you so much for all your love, all your support, for the 15 million love on Facebook. Woohoo! Woohoo! Thank you so much, Maithili. Thanks a lot, guys. I wore chashma in I wore my chashmas, actually they were my own also, in OK Janu, and I have them. They're another pair of glasses. This is actually how I am, you know, guys. What I mean to say is, I like wearing my glasses. It's more comfortable. Otherwise, I wear prescription lenses. I got a number in my eyes actually in the 6th standard. I was actually very excited to get glasses. I was like, it's nice to have glasses. But nowadays people do that laser also, to get rid of the number. That idea is a little get laser done in the eyes, I don't know, it's a little scary to get one laser going. So I'm happy with my glasses for now.
So someone has asked if you could tell me something funny that happened during the shoot of Half.
Something funny that happened during the shoot of Half Girlfriend. Lots of funny things happen, guys. Arjun has a very good sense of humor, which he has his own distinct sense of humor, which is really awesome. Jack Canfield's event at Worli. Yes. I really like Jack Canfield's book. That's true. I try to follow it. Guys, do you want to see the view that I'm looking at right now? Let me show you. 1 second. Walk with me. Okay, so this is my living room and I'll just show you the view. This is Juhu Beach. See Juhu Beach. I feel extremely fortunate to have such a lovely view that I can look at every day. It's nice, no? Just sitting here with a cup of tea and just relaxing, reading my script. It's good. Sometimes and I'll just daydream also staring outside and then I don't know how much time has passed. Oops. See some more. See the view, the beautiful view. Okay. Hey Rakesh, don't be hating, man. Why do you hate Bollywood? See, you're totally entitled to your opinion, but then don't watch movies if you hate Bollywood. And maybe then, yeah. What else is happening here, guys? Hi यार, क्या आपके लिए वेट कर रहा हूँ, आप भी रिप्लाई करोगी? Amit, I'm sorry, it gets a little difficult to reply to everybody. Can you visit Kolkata for a show? Yes, if I am free and if I can, I will come. My next movies, guys, are Hasina and Half Girlfriend. I hope this camera is not too close into my face. This is fun. This is a lot of fun. Yes, I did write that on Twitter yesterday, and I totally believe that. Sing a song. Okay. What should I sing for you guys? What should I sing for you guys? You guys want an English song, a Hindi song, one of my own songs? Which song would you guys like to hear? Let's take a vote. Let's take a vote. Which song will you guys want to hear? I love Harry Potter. Yes, Harry Potter is great. I read the first of 3.5 books. Then the fourth book got really big and then I stopped reading. Reading is good. I hope to make more time for it. I really enjoy reading. And watching movies, of course. Yes, Kushal. Hasina trailer will release about a month before the film release. Guys, this is really overwhelming. There's so many comments coming in. Thank you so much. And my dad is there. I think he's going somewhere. Maybe he'll come and say hi. I don't know. Bye, Bapu! Bye. Okay. He's just gone now. He's gone. My brother's also there waving from there. They're all going. My brother's going to the kitchen. My dad's gone out. Yes, I really like sports, Shaz. I like sports, but I don't follow it that much because I just don't have the time for it. I wish I had the time to do a few more things. African fan, but in Chennai. Interesting. Hello. Okay, again, thank you guys for tuning in and thank you for the 15 million love. Thank you so much. Anurag, Varun is my childhood friend. Ashok, that's very funny. I think love is like undeniable, right? It takes over everything and then you're just blinded by love. It could be the most beautiful thing. Can we have a Hasina cast here? Maybe later, guys? I have a movie. Okay, done. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. I'm just reading everyone's comments. Thank you so much. So much. Okay, yes, back to the song. So what should I sing for you guys? Ouch, I just banged my knee. Should I sing? Okay, I'll sing Sun Raha Hai Na Tu for you guys or Galiya. Okay, I'll sing Sun Raha Hai Na Tu. Right? Where do I start? Okay. तू मेरी नींदों में सोता है, तू मेरे अश्कों में रोता है. I'm wondering which all songs to sing. सरगोशी सी है ख्यालों में, तू ना हो फिर भी तू होता है. तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां मुझको भावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां तेरी गलियां गलियां तेरी गलियां यूं ही तड़पावे, गलियां तेरी गलियां. Okay, should I sing Sun Raha Hai Na Tu? सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रही हूँ मैं. सुन रहा है ना तू, क्यों रो रही हूँ मैं यारा. I don't feel like going, but I have to go.
So I have a couple of questions for everyone. So first of all, what's your favorite movie of all time?
What is my favorite movie of all time? Would be Pyasa, Guru Dutt. Everyone should watch it. All you guys should watch it. It's an amazing, amazing movie. Who is the funniest co-star to work with? You know, Actually, everyone I've worked with has had their own distinct sense of humor. Yeah, all of them have their own distinct sense of humor. But I have to say, okay, like I can also tweak the questions and answer back. My dad actually has an amazing, of course everybody knows that he has an amazing sense of humor on the big screen, but actually in real life his sense of humor is unbelievable. Like I'm literally holding my stomach and I'm crying and laughing because he's so funny. And my mom has an amazing sense of humor also. She has it's too funny how she is.
Okay, if there was one advice you would give your 15-year-old self,
One advice I would give my 15-year-old self. I had braces when I was 15. No, I would have said that experiment more with the color of my braces, but I did that. Maybe 15. Probably watch more movies back then. Yeah. You can never watch enough movies.
what advice would you give all
20-somethings, what advice would I give? I would say follow your heart, make your dreams come true. It's your life, you have one life to live. So yeah, just go for it and make it all happen for yourselves. It's gonna be time to go soon, guys. I really don't want to go, but I have to because we're gonna I'm gonna rehearse now for Hasina. So the team is all going to get together. We're going to rehearse. Today is a prep day also. So it's gonna be time to go. Yes, I do want to do a lot more live sessions.